Sakoni Dokoni.
How could you say that, man?
Alright, let me start again. Yeah.
Do a drift.
Drift.
Yeah.
I'm the DK, bro. DK.
Wheel speed machine. Oh shit. MashaAllah.
This bus always comes when I drive up here. Always. I never miss it.
Why you a police officer for one? It's flashing red and green. And now you look sick.
The camera.
Yeah. Everyone thinks you're a police.
Is it waterproof, this?
Yeah. The casing dust on it, that's what makes it waterproof.
Yeah, so you can go underneath water and then see everything underneath.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I need that.
I need a better quality one.
It'll be sick when you go on holiday, innit? And you go out.
Need a much higher quality one.
What time are you working today? 4:45.
Got time now.
Yeah, easy. This guy's got his boot open.
I'm carrying something. You know, if something falls out someone's back like that,
Yeah.
and it's not a business car, you can't claim off the insurance.
You can't?
Yeah, because insurance usually don't give it. They'll
What?
say it's not our deed, it's not their thing in it, they only insure the car.
Alright.
So if the car, something falls out the back, unless it's a business, you have to personally sue them in it
Yeah.
for damage.
Also, what about if so the person who gets hit?
Yeah, they'll have to sue them properly, because most insurance won't take that. They'll say it's not their deal, it's not their, they don't insure that.
What the fuck is that with? The shagging.
They're shagging up there, bro.
I got it.
Oh, you can't even show it, can you?
I think I got it.
What is that, the horse? No.
The cows.
The two cows are shagging up there.
Is he trying to jump on it? Look.
Yeah, it's having fun, man.
The view here is sick, though, isn't it?
I thought they were fixing that wall.
I know. Why would you buy it that, man?
I think it's electric.
Yeah, I think
Because they're clean accents, blue accents.
Yeah. Yeah, the Nissan Notes.
Yeah.
Is that? No, I don't know. Leaf is called.
Yeah.
You put a £5 in it and you get 150 miles from electric.
Yeah.
That air feels nice, man.
Tell me, do you want more or less? Yeah. Oh shit, you want more, man?
Oh, more.
Open your back windows a bit. There you go. MashaAllah, what a dude. I didn't even see that guy, man. I didn't know you could come that way. What? Keep going, clear.
There's a hassle when a car comes from. When you're going in there, a car comes from the other side. It's fucking this thing. It's too tight, that road. Oh, you're gonna start the video here?
Huh? No, go to the Blackburn Road.
That looks nasty from the back, innit?
Yeah. Who the fuck designed that, bro? It's not even straight, the fucking license plate should be in the middle.
Whoever designed that car needs sacking.
Yeah. And whoever thought, let's put it out, needs sucking as well.
Innit?
you? What the hell wrong with you? Lamborghini Aventadores.
It's probably massive inside, isn't it?
Yep.
That's probably why they bought it. 21 plate. It was a piss take at the start, innit?
What?
I was joking with him.
Oh.
Like, mine was like, we played so bad at the start of the season. Oh my god. I was joking with him at the start of the season. Chelsea were playing so bad.
Yeah.
And I was like, we're going to win the Champions League final. We're going to go to the final, win the Champions League final. And I was saying to Zuned, start of the season, oh, where are you watching the final? Where are you watching the final? And mine was like, I bet you £100 each that you won't get to the final. Well, you won't win the Champions League.
No.
Yeah. See how fast that car was coming?
Truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still had to hard brake behind.
Don't drive like donkey. But then he brakes again. It's because you don't do it properly like that.
Yeah.
You can always see it's coming back up in it.
Have you seen the other one's worse when your car jumps up and down?
There's a massive one on this side now. I'll show you. It's a bit filled in. No, it's still there. Can you see it?
Yeah. Bro, at night it's worse.
You can't see it.
I hate the one down there. You know where you're...
There goes one now.
Yeah.
That's just the road though.
Yeah. I'm sure I never used to do that before, but...
Yeah, like we said, when I was driving there once, and they were in the car behind,
yeah.
The Audi. My car literally lifted us around all the wheels. That's what I said.
No, if you go too fast, it does, isn't it? Sometimes you don't realise.
I don't slow down, but sometimes I do. Depends.
Imagine being in like a Lambo and going down there like that, scrape the bottom of your car.
You go flying in a Lambo.
I know.
Are you driving on this road Lambo? In a Lambo? How?
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to raise my suspension in here, everything. Nice right turn, man.
It's okay, I made sure there's no cars on the other side.
Make sure. Come on, inject. Everyone shoots themselves when they see you. Yeah?
Yeah, undercover cop. Instead of having it on my chest, I got it on my head.